What I'll talk about tonight is what we can do in the space of affecting policy with respect to providing more services for kids in schools. And what we know is that oftentimes, particularly in communities of color and low resource communities, there's not a provider in schools. So we need more social workers in schools where those kids are likely to manifest their symptoms. And, um, and so from a policy perspective, we can advocate for a social worker to be available to schools for not just one day of the week, but for, every day, right? We hear stories about social workers only being available on Tuesday. And so, it just strikes me that there are not only going to be problems that happen on Tuesday. And so I think we're in a prime position as social workers to advocate for policy.